Are your crayons sad and feeling left out? It seems like a lot of people think that markers are better than crayons. And maybe that's because markers just feel kind of special. But I've noticed that when I try to color in with markers, it can end up looking kind of messy. So I have a solution where I start with markers, but I end with crayons. The first thing I'm doing is outlining my drawing with markers. And then, very carefully, I color in the shapes with crayon. I can press hard when I'm coloring to get a darker color, or I can press lighter when I'm coloring to get a lighter color. You can't really do that with markers. And look, here I'm drawing with a different blue. If I was using markers, I would really only have one blue. But with crayons, I can have fun using different blues, and reds, and oranges, and violets. Do you notice how I'm using two different kinds of green for these leaves? And here I'm using a dark green on top of a light green to make it look like shadow. You can also just press harder with the same color, or use a darker color like blue to create shadow. Or if you want to add some excitement to your drawing, you can use a color of crayon that's really different than the color of marker right next to it. Orange and violet look great together. Or how about yellow and red? And if you color lightly, crayon is really good for covering a large area quickly. If I colored the dirt area with marker, either it would take forever or it would probably look pretty messy. And when you think you're almost done, try adding details using a different color. That way, they'll stand out more. So now you have a new way to add color.